Stop scrolling! Tara, solve natin tong passport exam problem.
Now, for the last situation in this set, no, meron tayong footing. For letter A, tingnan natin, the question here is, subjected to a moment and a vertical load, what's the minimum width of the footing to prevent uplift? So, hindi natin hahayaang magkaroon ng uplift. So, if this is the footing, we have here a load and a moment. So, 126 kilonewton meter. And then we have 280 kilonewtons here. So, we have 280 kilonewtons as the vertical load. So, syempre, B ito, no? Now, to prevent uplift, dapat wala tayong tensile stresses, no? Wala tayong tensile stresses na mag-occur. In which dito, at the brink of having tensile stress, dapat yung stress dyan is 0. Okay? So, from combined stresses, dapat 0 equal to, ayan, force over area, no? So, negative 280 kilonewton divided by area. Ngayon, ano yung area ng footing? Tignan natin na wall, no? Concrete wall nakalagay. So, if that's a concrete wall, we assume it to be continuous. Therefore, we analyze it per meter length. Okay? So, we have 1 meter times B. Then, plus, yan. Paano naman to? 6m over BD squared kasi bending. 6m, 126. B is 1. D squared is, B squared. So, solve for B. So, the minimum footing required is 2.7 meters. Next is letter B. We have here a resisting moment. Okay, resisting moment na given. Overturning moment and vertical load. So, parang sa dams, no? RM, OM, RY. Minimum width to prevent uplift din. Okay? So, to prevent uplift, kasi ang mangyayari dyan, pag ito din yung footing, no? Dapat, ang location ni RY, okay? Ang location dapat ni RY when we apply the righting and overturning moments, okay? Should be at 1/3 of the width. Bakit 1/3? Kasi take note the pressure in the soil, no? Kapag naging tension yung isang banda, magiging triangular to. Correct? So, pag naging triangular yan, ito 0. Which is yung kailangan natin, di ba? 0 tensile stress. Eh, saan ngayon yung centroid nitong soil pressure? Nasa 1/3, no? 1/3 from this portion. Okay? So, therefore, to solve for that, we take summation of moment here. From summation of moment, we have Ry times B over 3 equal to the resultant moment, which is righting moment minus overturning moment. Okay, so we have Ry na 265 times B over 3 equal to Rm 440 minus OM na 260. So then solve for B. Okay, so the minimum required dimension here is 2.04 meters. Now for letter C, given na this time yung width ng footing, may resisting moment and overturning moment, tsaka total load. What is the maximum soil bearing pressure? Okay, total, napag-usapan na natin yung mga tensile stress. Tignan natin ngayon kung saan naabot or kung meron tayong tensile stress. Okay, how do we know? By the location of Ry. Gamit lang to. Tignan natin ha. So Ry, that's 335 times, sige, sabihin natin ang distance is D, no? Equal to Rm minus OM. So we have 500 minus 265. Okay? So D is equal to 500 minus 265 divided by 35. Ayan, 0.77015 meters. Okay? Now, how do we know if merong tensile force? Okay? Di ba sabi natin kanina, kung may tensile, at the brink of having a tensile stress, 1/3 to. So, ito, 1/3 dapat, no? Dapat. Apparently. Okay? So, 1/3, let's say W na lang, para width. So, to solve for that width times 3, ayun, 2.1 lang. Which is way less than yung 3 meters na width natin. What does that mean? merong tensile stress. Kasi yung width na lalabas dyan is the width of this soil pressure diagram. Ito, ganyan, no? So, ito lang yun, yung W. Yan. So, hindi siya yung buong footing na. So, ibig sabihin, there is a portion at the footing na nakaangat sa lupa. Okay? So, how do we get that soil pressure? Let's say Q ito. No? Q. So, yung vertical load na 335, this is equal to the resultant of this soil pressure. 1/2 Q times W na 2.10. Okay, so therefore Q equals 335 divided by 1/2 times yung 2.10, which is yung answer. Okay, so therefore the pressure is 318.37 kilopascals. And that's it for this set. That's it for November 2021 PISAD.
Anong gusto niyong sagutan natin next? Comment down below. Follow this page for constant reminders to get back on track.